finally got power put on. Shout out Titan Titan Electric, who took care of the power. They actually were able to tap the power that's over this part of the building and drop a new wire down in through the wall, and everything's plugged in and working over here now. So the office is officially complete. Now we're waiting on the rubber for the gym and the high jump pit, and we'll be up and running. I will definitely keep you posted, man. This has been a journey. I shouldn't have had to pay for the power. The people that own the building should have done that, but they were taking far too long to finish it. But we are set. Battle ropes in the house. We are set. Starting blocks over here. I got the lights turned off. Medicine balls, everything's starting to come in. And I just got approved for a Nike Pro account for the Nike Strength Program, which means the weights will be Nike Pro. We're going to keep you posted, just like I have been.